गर्यो Yeah.
स्वादिष्ट खाना
Asta छ Are we moving to Nepal forever, Miss Deepa?
Yeah.
Oh?
Yeah, घर बनाएर बस्नुपर्छ
2 वर्ष अगाडि हामी नेपाल आएको थियौं केही नयाँ सुरु गर्न अनि at that time we didn't know what we were doing त्यो बेला हामीलाई नै थाहा थिएन के गर्दै छौ भनेर we had doubts we had questions and honestly we didn't know if it would work but this time it feels different